In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete search history on your laptop running Windows 11. Whether you're trying to keep your browsing activities private or just want to start fresh by clearing old search data, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps with ease. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Start option. You'll find this at the lower left corner of your screen, right next to the search bar. Click on it and look for the Settings option. This is where you'll start the process of clearing your search history. Settings is essentially your control center for managing different aspects of your Windows experience, so we spend a fair amount of time here when making adjustments. Now, once you're in Settings, you will see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you need to find the Privacy and Security option. Click on it. This option is important because it controls not just your search history, but various other permissions and security features on your device. Next, under the section labeled Windows Permissions, you'll want to locate the Search option. This area specifically manages how your device handles search data and history. Click on it to proceed. When you arrive at the search settings, you should see an option related to clearing search history. You'll simply press on Clear next to the Clear Device Search History option. This action will remove your search history from the device, essentially wiping the slate clean. It's a quick and effective way to prevent any past searches from appearing again. For those who wish to take things a step further, Windows 11 offers the ability to disable search history entirely. You can do this by toggling the option next to Search History to off. By doing so, you ensure that no future search activity will be recorded. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain a higher level of privacy or ensure your search habits remain invisible, even during your current browsing session. Remember, this setting can be reverted, allowing you to turn it back on whenever you're ready to have Windows track your searches again. And just like that, you've successfully managed the search history on your device. It's a straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in managing your privacy and ensuring your laptop functions the way you want it to. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you'd like to keep learning more about managing your Windows 11 experience, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.